Welcome to Tech Machine Test to establish a mango juice manufacturing process. The steps involved are generally the same across different countries and factories, although specific regulations and practices may vary. Here's an overview of the process, factory details, and considerations for international transfer. Mango juice manufacturing process. Harvesting and sorting. Mangoes are harvested and transported to the factory. Sorting involves selecting ripe, healthy fruits and discarding damaged or unripe ones.
Washing. Mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and other contaminants. Peeling and destoning. Mangoes are peeled, and seeds are removed. This can be done manually or by machines. Pulp extraction. The peeled mangoes are passed through a pulper machine to extract the pulp.
Pulp refining. The extracted pulp is refined to remove fibers and achieve a smooth consistency. Blending. The mango pulp is blended with other ingredients like water, sugar, and preservatives, depending on the recipe. Pasteurization. The blend is pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria and extend shelf life.
The blend is pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria and extend shelf life. Filling and packaging. The pasteurized juice is filled into sterilized bottles, cans, or cartons and sealed. Labeling and storage. Packaged juice is labeled with product details and stored in a cool, dry place before distribution. Quality control. Throughout the process, quality checks are conducted to ensure the juice meets safety and quality standards. Factory details. Location. The factory should be located near mango growing regions to reduce transportation costs. Equipment. Essential equipment includes washers, peelers, pulpers, pasteurizers, filling machines, and packaging machines. Workforce. Skilled workers are needed for sorting, quality control, and operating machinery. Hygiene. Strict hygiene protocols must be maintained to prevent contamination.
Hygiene. Strict hygiene protocols must be maintained to prevent contamination. International transfer and export. Regulations and standards. Ensure compliance with both the country of manufacture and the importing country's food safety and quality standards. Obtain necessary certifications like HACCP, ISO, and other relevant certifications. Packaging. Use durable and tamper-proof packaging to protect the product during transit. Labeling must comply with the importing country's regulations, including language, nutritional information, and ingredients list.
Logistics. Choose reliable logistics partners for transportation. Consider refrigerated shipping containers to maintain the juice's freshness during long-distance transport. Export documentation. Prepare all necessary export documents, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, and phytosanitary certificates. Countries with notable mango juice factories. India, known for its large production of mangoes and a robust mango juice industry. The process of manufacturing hamburgers in a factory setting in Korea, as well as in other countries, involves a series of standardized steps to ensure consistency, quality, and safety. Here's an overview of the hamburger manufacturing process in Korea, along with details on other countries known for burger production. Hamburger manufacturing process in Korea. Ingredient sourcing. Meat, high-quality beef or other meats are sourced from trusted suppliers. Buns, bakery partners provide freshly baked buns. Vegetables, fresh vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and pickles are procured. Condiments, sauces, cheese, and other condiments are sourced in bulk. Meat preparation. Grinding, the meat is ground to the desired consistency. Mixing, the ground meat is mixed with seasonings and any other additives. Forming patties, the meat mixture is formed into patties using patty forming machines. Cooking. Grilling seeding, the patties are cooked on grills or in ovens to a safe internal temperature. Cooling, cooked patties are cooled to prevent spoilage. Bun preparation. Toasting, buns are sliced and toasted. Assembly preparation, buns are prepared for the assembly line. Assembly. Layering, patties, vegetables, cheese, and condiments are layered on the buns. Wrapping, assembled burgers are wrapped in packaging materials. Quality control. Inspection, each burger is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. Sampling, regular sampling and testing are conducted to ensure safety and consistency. Packaging. Boxing, wrapped burgers are placed in boxes for bulk packaging. Labeling, boxes are labeled with product information, batch numbers, and expiration dates. Storage and distribution. Refrigeration, finished products are stored in refrigerated conditions. Logistics, products are distributed to restaurants, grocery stores, or directly to consumers. Other countries known for burger manufacturing. United States. Known for its iconic burger chains and large-scale burger production. Employs advanced manufacturing techniques and stringent quality control measures. Germany. Renowned for high-quality meat and efficient production processes. Focuses on both traditional and innovative burger recipes. Australia. Utilizes high-quality beef and emphasizes freshness. Popular for both gourmet and fast food burger production. Brazil. Major beef producer, contributing to its burger manufacturing industry. Combines traditional methods with modern processing techniques. International considerations. Regulations and standards. Ensure compliance with local and international food safety standards. Obtain necessary certifications like HACCP and ISO. Customization. Adapt recipes and products to meet local tastes and preferences. Offer a variety of burger options to cater to diverse consumer demands. Sustainability. Implement sustainable practices in sourcing, production, and packaging. Focus on reducing waste and improving energy efficiency. By following these processes and adhering to high standards, hamburger manufacturers can successfully produce and distribute high-quality burgers both domestically and internationally.